As a parent, you want the best for your child. But when your child has both ADHD and autism, the journey can sometimes feel incredibly challenging. It might feel like you're constantly fighting an uphill battle, struggling to understand what they need, trying to help them manage their emotions, their behavior, and even the simplest tasks of everyday life. But what if I told you that you don't have to do this alone? What if I told you that there are proven strategies that can help your child thrive and make your journey easier? Raising a child with ADHD and autism isn't just about managing behaviors or navigating challenges. It's about understanding your child's world, connecting with them on a deeper level, and providing them with the support they need to succeed on their terms. Let's start by understanding the basics of ADHD and autism. While both conditions are neurodevelopmental, they affect children in different ways. ADHD, or Attention Deficit/Hyperactivity Disorder, is primarily characterized by challenges with attention, impulsivity, and hyperactivity. Children with ADHD often struggle to stay focused, sit still, and follow through with tasks. They may also act impulsively, interrupting others, or having trouble waiting their turn. Autism spectrum disorder, on the other hand, affects how a child experiences the world around them. Children with autism might have difficulty with social interactions, communication, and sensory sensitivities. They might prefer routines, struggle with changes, or find certain sounds, textures, or lights overwhelming. But when a child has both ADHD and autism, the experience is often more complex. Children may struggle with focus and impulsivity, while also facing sensory overload and difficulty with social communication. This combination can lead to frustration, confusion, and challenging behaviors. The key to helping your child lies in understanding their needs. Every child is unique, and what works for one child may not work for another. But by learning more about ADHD and autism, you'll be better equipped to support your child in a way that makes sense for them. Children with ADHD and autism thrive in environments where routine is clear and predictable. A structured environment can help reduce anxiety, improve focus, and prevent meltdowns. One of the most effective strategies is creating a visual schedule. This could be a simple chart with pictures or words that outline daily tasks, like brushing teeth, eating meals, or going to school. Visual schedules give children a sense of control and help them understand what comes next. When children know what to expect, they're less likely to feel anxious or overwhelmed. Start by setting up a daily routine at home and try to keep transitions as consistent as possible. For children with ADHD, impulsivity and trouble with attention can make even the simplest tasks challenging. But with clear expectations and consistent reinforcement, you can help them succeed. Break tasks down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if it's time for homework, instead of saying, "Do your homework," break it down into simple instructions like, "Get your books," "Write your name," and so on. Giving one instruction at a time helps your child stay focused. Also, use positive reinforcement to celebrate small wins. Praise them for completing steps, even if they're small. This builds confidence and reinforces good behavior. Children with autism may have difficulty with social interactions, such as understanding body language, making eye contact, or responding to social cues. But with the right approach, you can help them build social skills. One way to teach social skills is through role-playing. Practice simple scenarios like asking for help, saying please and thank you, or taking turns in a conversation. You can also model appropriate social behavior by demonstrating how to greet someone or ask a question. For children with ADHD, it's important to give them time and space to practice these skills. They may need more guidance to stay focused on the conversation or task at hand. Raising a child with ADHD and autism can be exhausting, both mentally and physically. That's why it's crucial to take care of yourself as well. You can't pour from an empty cup. Make time for self-care, whether it's a short walk, a quiet cup of coffee, or a few minutes of deep breathing. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your child's. The good news is that you don't have to go through this journey alone. There are resources available that can help you every step of the way. Our Udemy course on parenting children with ADHD and autism is designed specifically for parents like you. In this course, you'll learn strategies for managing behaviors, improving communication, and creating routines that work. Plus, you'll get access to expert tips, real-life examples, and tools that you can use immediately. Click the link below to enroll in the course now. Don't wait. Your child's journey and yours can start today.